Reading and understanding short story like this can help us learn to write English without grammar mistakes. So, try to read them many times, understand the grammar usage, and learn new words. Happy reading! Name of the story is The Little Parrot Family. Once upon a time, there were two parrots, a male and a female, living together in a tree near our home. They were happy, spending their days talking, playing, and caring for each other. After a few months, we noticed that the female parrot had hidden herself and was no longer visible. We grew worried and wondered what might have happened to her. However, the male parrot continued to go out and upon returning would bring food for his partner. A few weeks later, to our surprise and joy, several tiny baby parrots appeared. We realized that the female parrot had been sitting on her eggs, keeping them warm until they hatched. Now they had become a beautiful family with five little parrots. The young ones hadn't started flying far yet, but they fluttered around their parents. Both the mother and father brought food for the chicks and looked after them lovingly. The family would sing and chatter together. It was a heartwarming and delightful sight. As time passed, the young parrots grew up and began flying further in search of their own food. Yet each evening they would all return and gather near the same tree. We look forward to their return every day, eagerly waiting to hear their sweet music and cheerful chatter. My dear little friends, I hope you liked it. I will share many more such short stories to help you learn basic English for daily use. Thank you.